Hello, my name's Anders, and today we're going to talk about using Google Chrome. Now, I'm using a Macintosh computer, but if you have Windows, it's just about the same. After you've installed Google Chrome, you should either have an icon for it somewhere on your desktop or perhaps in your Start menu. In this case, if it's not in your dock on Mac, you may be able to find it in your applications. So we can just scroll right up to Google Chrome, and that is in your Applications folder on Mac. Now in this case, I have it on my dock, so I'm going to click it and it'll open up. And this browser is just like most, but a little bit simplified and quite a bit safer. When we first open Google Chrome, we may be asked certain questions, such as if Google Chrome can keep itself updated. In this case, we're going to ignore that for now. And we're going to have a couple options. Now, Google Chrome has a number of different useful features. One of them is having your most used icons come up when you first open a new tab or when you first open the program. And you can just have those at your convenience. You can also look at, besides your apps, your most visited pages. So in this case, we have Facebook, Craigslist, Tumblr, YouTube, etc. Now, most visited can be useful, and whatever you look at the most on Google Chrome is going to pop up under this tab right here, most visited, which is accessible whenever you open a new tab or whenever you open Google Chrome. You also can click on Apps, which will bring us back to this main page that pops up, and from here you can go to your Gmail, YouTube, etc. Now, other things to note, this is a bit simplified, but you can go back, you can go forwards, you can reload a page, and you can go home right from the main box. You can type URLs here. You can open up a new tab here just by clicking on the little button to the right of the current tab you have open. There's a new tab. And then, as you can see, you have your normal applications right there. You have your other bookmarks, which you've bookmarked in the past, right in the upper right-hand side. You have certain applications or extensions that are installed on Google Chrome up here. And you have the ability to change certain settings and your extension settings in Google Chrome from the wrench box or tab. From the wrench, you can open new tabs, you can look at your bookmarks, you can edit things on page if you have selected text, you can cut, copy, or paste that. You can zoom, save the page, and do a number of other things. You can even change how you're signed in. If you're in Apple, you can make this go full screen. Or if you're in Windows, in that same corner, you'll find the ability to make the page as large as your screen is. My name's Anders, and today we talked about using Google Chrome